Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my tiny kitchen here at Pisang Susu. Today we're gonna make corn fritters and they are called Perkedel Jagung. The things you need for Perkedel Jagung are 200 grams of corn, 40 grams of carrot, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of red onion, 1 egg, half a tablespoon of fresh celery, half a tablespoon of fresh coriander, 20 grams of rice flour, 1 chili pepper, 1 teaspoon of galangal, 1 teaspoon of ketumbar, 1 teaspoon jinten, 1 teaspoon salt, a little bit of kencur and some lime. I'm gonna start by cutting my onion. You need quite small pieces because we're gonna make fritters. To make the fritters, we need some kind of batter. So I'm gonna make that with my garlic and all the nice spices. The galangal, the cumin, the jinten, the coriander, and this is my salt, and this is kencur. Kencur you need a little bit. Half the amount, so about 100 grams of my corn. Because we're gonna make a batter that will stick everything together. This is about half. And this is my rice flour. Rice flour will make it crispy. And of course, the egg. So now you see, now we've got this sticky batter, and this is really good to make these fritters. So I'm going to add it to the rest of my filling. So the rest of the corn can go in now, and this will make it crispy. We're going to combine it, and now we're going to heat up the oil and we're going to fry them. The batter will make about 9 to 10 fritters if you use a tablespoon as a size. So this is the first one. The fritters are done when they, of course, are nice golden brown. Don't have your oil too hot, otherwise they will burn instead of fry. And now they are the right color. Look golden, nice. Enak. I've made Perkedel Jagung. It's corn fritters. You want to taste some? Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, cool. I'm gonna add some extra lime on top because it makes it even more delicious. And this is a chili sauce and a ketchup sauce. So you can dip or you can taste straight away. Whatever you like, so go ahead. Cool, I'm gonna take one too. Bit spicy. What do you think, Lulu?
I like the sauce.
You like the sauce? That's a good thing. And what do you think, Tessa? Do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
Ah, very good. I'm happy to hear. Selamat makan. Try it at home. They're really good. Bye-bye. Because we're gonna make... Excuse me. We're gonna...